You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. Time for me to check out the Talking Silly Sentence Maker Sesame Street toy from Fisher-Price. Now you have Big Bird in the top left corner, and he's reading from a book. The speaker is in the top right corner with one of those little bubble windows and a little arrow pointing towards Big Bird. There is a handle to hold it on. The interesting thing is that it's all silly sentences, so you turn these dials and you can get different sentences based on what you're turning, and then you actually have these little silly sounds. Now, it's going to need batteries, because when I bought this from the thrift store, originally $5, and I said, well, I'd rather pay $1, as always, like from a garage sale, but thrift store prices seem to be going up and up and up and up, which I understand. Now, a lot of times it's supporting a good cause, so I don't necessarily complain. I just pay the price. But when I went to the cash register, I found out that everything was 50% off that day. So I got lucky. So now we're putting in some brand new fresh batteries. Fresh, fresh, fresh. It's really an interesting toy, and that's why I picked it up. Because the sentences are silly. And hence the name. Now, there's no songs or anything on this particular one. Alright, now, Fisher-Price, made in China, Jim Henson Productions, Inc. No year. But let's see. So it's very colorful. You got the silly sentence button on the right, which is just like a green button. Then you got playback on the left, and the on is like a blue button. And then you have 4 silly sounds. Let's do those first. Let's turn it on. So it's like a little horn with a mute in it, and then a little popper toy. And then Big Bird looks like he's shaking his head, but probably laughing. Yep. And then a spring, a boing. Okay, I couldn't resist. Now, in the windows at the top, there's like these spinny dials, a yellow, red, blue, and green dial. The first one I see now, it says Grover falls on a wet cat. So let's play that. Let's see if it does it.
Grover falls on a wet cat.
All right, so it even added sounds. So if I change the dial upwards, it says Bert.
Bert falls on a wet cat.
Okay, I change the dial again. It's Elmo.
Elmo falls on a wet cat.
So it seems like when you turn the dial, it says what it is.
Gertie, Prairie Dawn, Cookie Monster, Oscar, Grover, Bert, Elmo.
Okay, and then this one says
Cat.
what?
Thuds, Tickles,
Elmo tickles.
Cat. A fat elephant.
All right,
Elmo tickles a fat elephant.
you get it? So let's just go through this dial. So we have tickles.
Laughs at. Jumps over. Rides on. Falls on.
Now each one has a different picture. Like this has Elmo with a pillow tied around his waist, so he falls on a pillow. He's roller skating.
Dances with.
I don't know these two characters. Somebody probably does. Let me bring you in closer to the dials.
Hugs.
So she's hugging a bear.
Tickles.
There's a foot and someone's tickling.
Laughs at.
And then Ernie's laughing at that little creature again.
Jumps over.
And there's a, like counting the sheep jumping over the fence.
Rides on.
Looks like Big Bird's on a bike.
Falls on.
And back to that. And then the tickle guy, it shows the blue guy. I don't know who he is.
Elephant.
No.
A flying. Elephant. A flying. A singing.
Ernie's playing like a ukulele.
A happy
Elmo's happy.
A wet.
So it's fish in the water.
A yucky.
And that's, I can't think of his name right now. I know who he is.
A fat.
It'll come to me.
Elephant. A muddy.
Was that Oscar?
A flying.
Okay, so that's a bird. Okay, so
singing.
back around.
A muddy. A yucky.
Yeah, so he's got a lot of yucky stuff. Elephant.
Honker.
So that must be the honker character. Not familiar with it.
Giraffe.
Then you see a giraffe.
Frog.
Frog.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Monster.
So it's Big Bird telling us everything.
Cat. Elephant.
Now, if you just hit silly sentence, it makes one up on its own.
Bird laughs at a yucky elephant. Grover rides on a wet frog. Elmo rides on a happy monster. Prairie Dawn rides on a wet kangaroo. Ernie falls on a muddy cat. Grover dances with a yucky elephant. Prairie Dawn falls on a happy kangaroo. Ernie. Oscar tickles a flying monster. Oscar laughs at a muddy frog.
That was another toy in the
Bird
background if you heard
jumps
beeps.
over a flying giraffe. Cookie Monster falls on a wet elephant.
So we're going to say Ernie.
Hugs a fat honker. Ernie hugs a fat honker.
I don't know why that's so silly.
Giraffe. Frog.
That was totally accidental.
A muddy. Cat. Ernie hugs a muddy cat. Tickles. Prairie Dawn. Cat. Cat. A happy
Something must be going on with these two.
Prairie Dawn tickles a happy cat. Elephant. Honker. A wet
I like the honker. Honk
Cookie
honk.
Monster laughs at, jumps over, rides on, falls on,
There.
dances with. Cookie Monster dances with a wet honker.
I don't know if they should have put the word honker in there.
Giraffe.
Honk honk.
Frog.
Oh, so that's the they should have had a little drumstick going. Dun, dun, ch. So you can only do one.
Oscar. Cookie Monster laughs at a flying monster.
Once it started, I can't stop it.
A singing
See that?
Giraffe.
So the buttons won't overlay each other. One's one or the other option.
Dances with a wet frog. Hugs. Oscar hugs a yucky monster. Oscar hugs a yucky monster.
Oh, so it's putting these in here. Wait a minute. So if I switch this,
Tickles.
press Big Bird and the boing.
Oscar tickles a yucky monster.
Wait a minute. So if I set it now, wait a minute. I'll set the last one, and then I'll do.
Oscar tickles a yucky cat.
Interesting. So after you turn one, it'll select it.
Grover laughs at a fat elephant.
Let's try it.
Grover laughs at a fat elephant.
Interesting. So it kind of records, remembers each one in the order that I selected it.
Grover rides on a muddy frog.
All right. Well, I think that says enough. I think Grover jumping over, rides on a fat. No, we won't do
A
that.
muddy.
Elephant. Yeah, I like that. Let's do.
Grover rides on a muddy
how many will it do? Let's just switch that one.
Honker.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Grover rides on a muddy honker.
So 4 is the maximum, I guess. All right, I think that pretty much sums it up for the Talking Silly Sentence Maker. What do you think of that one? I had to get it. Glad it worked. Didn't have to do anything to it. Haven't even cleaned it yet, but I wanted to show it to you. And as always, I do appreciate you supporting the channel. Hope you enjoy these. I have fun showing them to you. And thanks for watching. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.